Hello friends, welcome again today. Today we are going to draw a dog, a quack dog. Are you ready?
Because last day I hurt my finger.
Oh, some hurt her finger again. Alright, so let's just draw now. But you can be able to draw with the finger, is that correct? Hold it well, yeah? Sorry, I know it's still paining you.
Yeah.
Alright, so at the middle here, just at the middle, we're going to use the S shape to draw the dog.
What?
So make S shape like this, just watch, and then this one you make it so big. Can you make that? As an S. Yeah. Big. Good. Then let's give it the mouth like it be like this. Oh. Okay, so I curved this, but I can see yours is already curved, so no need. Okay, then from the back here, just make the neck like this. Come down a little bit. Okay, good. And go this way.
That one was like a smiley face.
And then curve it inside to form the wing.
Form it into different wing.
It's okay, yeah. Then let's give the wing a kind of the feather shape, the feather kind of shape.
How many?
It's okay. It's fine.
Did you put 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, it's alright. It doesn't matter the number. You can put more if you want, but it's okay.
2 more.
Yeah, it's okay if you want to put more. Alright.
All done.
So, and then take this up a little bit so you join it with this one. You see what I did? Take it up first, and then curve it and join it with the. Oh, some of your dog is looking fine. So let's give the dog an eye, big eye.
What?
A big circle. Make a big circle. Okay, and
like an alien.
yeah, you can just give a dot at the middle. Just for the eye, a dot. Yeah.
Looks like an alien.
Alien, no, it's a dog.
It looks
Alright.
like an alien seeing us.
That's funny. Okay, so the dog normally is on the water
But
swimming. So
and
from
he
here,
needs legs.
no, because the leg will be under the water. So from here, just start from here and make this shape as if it's a water. It's floating on the water like this. Can you do that? Start from the edge, the bottom there, then make it, yeah. Okay. And start from the other side and also go. It's floating on the water. So my water is so funny. You can make another water. Don't make it too much. Yeah, it's okay. Don't join it. I didn't say you should join the water. The water is flowing. It's a flowing water. You just make a zigzag line. It's a line. Just make the line. Leave it. Okay.
You did 3 lines.
Yeah, it's okay. So my dog, it looks like it's flying. It's on top of the water. Alright, that's fine. So let's color it. Are you ready to color the dog?
Yeah, sometimes I'm a little funny.
Okay, alright, so let's get our color.
Please. Oh, here's my
Let's use our
yellow
color. Awesome.
I know yellow. Owie, my hand hurt.
Get yellow color.
My hand hurt so bad.
Okay, so let's color
That
your
was
hand. Sorry for your hand or your finger. Someone hurt her finger last night. Just color. Yeah, don't color the mouth. Just color here alone, the head. And don't color the eyes. The eyes is going to be another color.
What are we
Good.
gonna color?
Then color the rest of the
tail.
body. Yeah, color the body too.
What are we we're gonna color the tip of his nose.
I'm going to give it another color.
I
Just
don't
color the
know. I
rest.
don't know color you're gonna say.
Don't worry, we'll look for another color. We can use orange. We can use any other color we want.
I want to use orange for my own.
You want to use orange? That's awesome.
What
That's so fine.
What color are you gonna use for your nose?
Maybe I will copy you. I will use your color too.
Well, we have to use to both of our colors.
Yes.
Because if you don't use it, our duck look ugly.
Yeah, our duck will look funny.
And like a colory duck tamed in. A colory duck tamed into different colors.
Yeah.
And it's like, it looks ugly, Daddy.
Do you like yellow color?
Yeah, and purple.
And purple.
And pink.
And pink as well. Awesome.
Yeah, but not boys' colors because I like only girls' colors.
You like girls' color? Awesome. So you like orange? You like yellow because it's so bright.
Yeah, and purple and pink.
And pink. Awesome. So what do you know that has yellow color in nature?
In the sun.
The sun. What else again aside from the sun?
Like a colory teddy bear.
Colored teddy bear. Do they come in yellow color?
Yeah, it has yellow teddy bears.
Okay. Alright, so let's give the mouth
Daddy.
an orange color then. That's your orange.
This one or red?
Is orange.
Oh. I'm gonna be already done. I'm already done.
Very done.
Yeah, your nose was too quick.
That's too quick. Then let's give the eye and a yellow what's a yellow or blue?
Wait.
Let's give it blue color.
Wait for me to do it too. Daddy, the eyes is tiny.
Yeah. It's okay. No color all.
I colored the whole thing.
Alright, and the water.
Sorry.
This is a flowing water. So look what we're going to do. Watch and see. We're not going to color the entire water. We're just going to follow this line.
That one?
Yeah, and trace it. Make it thicker. Let's follow the line and double it up.
On top we're gonna go with like coloring.
Yeah.
Is it only when we're done?
Are you saying what that is doing? You have to join the line, join it together. Just give it another layer and make it thick. It's fine.
This year we're gonna do some videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you done? Summer is drawing a dog.
All done.
Wow, awesome.
Daddy, today's your birthday.
Your dog. Yeah, today is my birthday. Yeah.
But what are we gonna do about your birthday?
Don't worry. After now, we're going to go to the shopping. We're going to get some things.
But you can't see it because it's your birthday. Nobody can see any cakes.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to be a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay.
And no presents you can't see. Because if you see it, you eat it.
If I see it, I'll eat it. What if it's not edible present? What if it is something that I can eat?
Eat?
Alright.
Like stranger.
Yeah, there are some things you cannot eat. If it's like clothing, you can't eat the clothes. You can't eat some accessories, shoes,
But
stuff like that.
it has to be a toy.
Or if it's a toy, you can't eat it.
But it is a toy to play with.
If it's a toy, you can't eat it. Okay, maybe I won't play with it. Oh, okay. But we've come to the end of this video. Friends, thank you so much for joining us as we draw a duck. Some have drawn her duck. Some, how do you see your duck? Is it fine?
Yeah, your duck is ugly.
Friends, I hope you're able to draw duck. Someone said that duck is, you say it's what? It's fine, or you say it's ugly? What do you say?
Good.
It's good, fine, good girl. High five. All right.
I don't want to clap with this hand.
Oh yeah, don't clap with it. It will hurt you. Okay. All right, friends. See you in another video. What do you say to your friends?
Bye bye.
Bye bye, and see you in another video.